Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, where we dive into the latest electric vehicle and mobility news. Today, we're taking a closer look at Cadillac's revolutionary new luxury sedan, the Celestiq. Imagine a car that's not just a mode of transportation, but an extension of your personal style and values. That's what Cadillac is promising with the Celestiq, its newest flagship model. This car is truly one of a kind, with over 350,000 possible color and material combinations to choose from, allowing you to customize every detail to your heart's content. But what makes the Celestiq so special? For starters, it's been hand-assembled by a team of skilled artisans at GM's Artisan Center in Michigan. These 12 artisans work together to craft each Celestiq, with 6 stations where they meticulously assemble the lower portion of the vehicle using advanced techniques like 3D printed sand megacastings. That's right, you heard that right, over 115 3D printed parts are used throughout the Celestiq. But what really sets it apart is its unique approach to customization. Unlike some of its competitors, Cadillac has no intention of skimping on details or reusing components for cost savings. Every aspect of the Celestiq, from the interior trim to the exterior paint job, is designed to be authentic and high quality. But with great power comes great responsibility and a hefty price tag to match. The Celestiq starts at around $150,000, making it one of the most expensive cars on the market today. However, as Cadillac CEO Rory Garcia notes, the only limit is how much money you want to spend. After all, this car is not just a mode of transportation, it's an investment in your personal style and values. Now we know what you're thinking. Will the Celestiq finally put Cadillac on par with its German competitors? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, Cadillac has taken a bold step forward with this new model, embracing cutting-edge technology, innovative design, and exceptional craftsmanship. As we wait to see how the Celestiq performs in the real world, one thing is clear. This car represents a major shift for GM as a luxury brand, and that shift is going to have far-reaching implications for the automotive industry as a whole. That's all for today's episode of Electro Drive News. Join us next time as we explore more exciting developments from the world of electric vehicles and mobility.